Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I have one thing to say. Would it kill someone to plant some peonies? No. This lovely peony is called Coral Charm, and it starts like this darker halo here, and it fades to this beautiful creamy apricot color. It needs staking because it gets very long stems and big heads. The other one at the background is not yet flowering. I also have Barcella, an Ito hybrid. So it means it's a hybrid of Paeonia lactiflora and Paeonia subfruticosa. And it's, I believe it's mostly sterile, and it will have a lot of flowers this year. This one is Paeonia officinalis rosea plena, and this one is rubra plena. And I have other peonies, but they're not yet flowering. So, thank you for your attention. See you next time in the garden. Bye bye.